Hey guys, welcome back. Your boy Keys. We're live on Coinmarketcap Alexandria. So Crypto.com hack affected 483 users. $33 million was lost. So the Crypto.com hack has confirmed that 483 users suffered unauthorized withdrawals from their wallets account after a hot wallet hack this week. A total of 4,836 ETH was taken from the incident, alongside 443.93 BTC and $66,200 in other assets. In cash terms, more than $33 million in funds were stolen, meaning the incident was far bigger than previously thought. So Crypto.com has stressed that no customers have experienced a loss of funds, with most unauthorized withdrawals prevented. In all other cases, customers were fully reimbursed, it added. The exchange explained that the vulnerability emerged after transactions were approved without the two-factor authentication control being imputed by the user. All withdrawals were suspended until the fees could be found. So customers were told to log in again, and the company revamped and migrated to a completely new two-factor authentication structure. So users will now need to wait 24 hours to complete their first withdrawal after adding a new whitelisted address. So a worldwide account protection program is also being introduced that protects users' funds if a third party gains unauthorized access, restoring up to $250,000 in token assets. In a statement, Crypto.com CEO and co-founder Chris Mazalek said, "The safety of our customers' funds is our highest priority, and we are continually enhancing our defense in-depth security and protection measures. While we are reminded of the existence of bad actors intent on committing fraud, this new worldwide account protection program, along with our new MFA infrastructure, gives our users unprecedented protection of their funds and hopefully peace of mind." So guys, that's all we have on CoinMarketCap blog news. Feel free to like, share, subscribe if you find this update helpful. If you're key, stay tuned for more, and peace out.